How to find theme settings on Roblox mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find theme settings on Roblox mobile. First thing, go to Roblox and now click these 3 points here in the bottom corner, and after you click on it, just click settings and then click account info, and here go down and you will find theme. Click on it and you can change it to light or to dark mode again, and then just click save and okay. And as you see here, you can find theme settings on Roblox mobile, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.